This is the starting circuit for WDM2 DC-DC locomotives fitted with EDC governor. The starting circuit helps to crank the diesel engine. The various steps in starting the diesel locomotive are shown as follows. When the battery knife switch is closed, the battery is brought to circuit and cable 49 and cable 44 are energized. In order to start the engine, some preparatory steps are essential. The first is starting the fuel pump motor so that the fuel oil pressure can build up to 3.6 kg per centimeter square. For this, the fuel pump contactor must be energized. This is accomplished as follows. MB1 and MB2 are brought to on position. Master fuel pump breaker 1 and master fuel pump breaker 2 are brought to on position. The current flows through cable number 13 and energizes the operating coils of fuel pump contactor, because of which the fuel pump contactor contact closes. The current flows through cable number 70 and the CCM LED indication comes to the driver. The fuel pump breaker 1 and fuel pump breaker 2 are brought to on position, because of which the fuel pump motor and cable number 71 are energized. When the crankcase exhauster breaker is brought to on position, the CCM LED indication in the driver's cab stops glowing. The CCM armature and field receives full voltage directly from cable number 70 and the CCM starts working. Due to the energization of cable 71, the current flows through the interlock of ESR4 and the interlock of ECS idle. Also, the current flows via OPS interlock 7150F, CRT2, normally closed interlock of CK2, ECR3, governor stabilizing coil, and engine start LED indication in the driver's cab starts glowing, indicating that the engine is ready for starting. Due to the energization of the stabilizing coil, stabilizing action takes place. In the stabilizing action, the arm A moves towards arm B. The LCP brush arm changes position from 1300 hours to 1600 hours, and SP brush arm changes position from 1500 hours to 1800 hours. The governor pump, which is coupled with the fuel pump motor, starts working, and the pressure of 135 psi is built up in the governor. The start push button is brought to on position, because of which the start push button interlock closes. The current flows via cable number 43, the normally closed interlock of P22, cable 43A, the closed interlock of S1, cable 43B, and energizes the operating coil of engine cranking contactor 1 or the CK1. Because of this, the normally open interlock of CK1 closes and the operating coil of CK2 is energized. The normally closed interlock of CK2 opens and the governor stabilizing coil is de-energized. The current flows through the cable 50D, close interlock of LWS, cable 50J, and energizes the governor clutch coil. Arm A and Arm B get magnetically locked to each other and move towards the fuel position and opens the fuel rack for engine starting. The main contact of CK1 and CK2 closes, because of which the battery current flows through cable number 49. The main contact of CK1, cable number GA11, ACCR, cable GA1, generator, CP, the starting field, the main contact of CK2, cable number 44, and completes its path with battery knife switch and the battery. The generator works as a motor which is coupled with the main crankshaft, which also starts working. The lube oil pump, which is directly gear coupled with the crankshaft, also starts working, and the lube oil pressure starts building up. Hence, the traction generator acts as series motor supplied by the battery and will rotate the diesel engine up to the ignition speed. When the lube oil pressure builds up to 1.8 kg per centimeter square, the interlock of OPS changes position from 7150F to 7150K. Also, the SAR interlock closes because it receives supply from the tacho generator, which works being coupled to the engine right side cam gear and the governor speed coil in series with the SAR. The governor clutch coil starts to receive supply via the OPS and the SAR. The engine now starts. The LED indication in the driver's cabin goes off, indicating to the driver that the start button can now be released. Some safety features fitted in the circuit are as follows. ESR4 ensures that the engine cannot start with MUSD in stop position. The LWS ensures that the engine will not start in low water condition. The SAR, which ensures the proper working of governor control engine speed circuit. And OPS, the OPS ensures that the engine will not start until the lube oil pressure of 1.8 kg per centimeter square is built up.